In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable accessible menus on WordPress, a simple tutorial that's perfect for beginners. We'll walk through each step clearly to make sure you have no trouble setting it all up. Let's dive in. First things first, before we get into the technical side of things, it's crucial to make sure you've logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main WordPress interface. This is where we will start our journey. Now take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a few options there. Click on Appearance. This section is where we manage all things related to the look and feel of your site. It's an important area when you want to make visual or structural changes. Once you're in the Appearance section, you'll see an option that says Menus. Go ahead and click on that. This is our playground for today. Here you can view, edit, and create new menus, an essential part of ensuring your site is accessible and user-friendly. With the Menu section open, you can now customize the menu items as you like. You'll notice various options to add new elements to your menu. To add new items, click on Add Menu Items. This will allow you to put new content into your menus like pages, links, or categories. Next, click on Pages. This will list out all the pages you've created on your site. You can select the ones you want to add to your menu. Choose one and click on Add to Menu. This action will include the page within your current menu layout. If you use widgets like Elementor, there'll be specific options for those as well. Simply select Elementor or whichever widget provider you're using and hit Add to Menu to include them. Click on Posts and add your latest articles or blogs to your menu. This helps guide users who want quick access to your recent content. Similarly, if you want to add external links, click on Custom Links and enter the URL. This is perfect for linking to external resources or partners. Additionally, click on Categories to add any interesting or important categories to your menu, allowing users to quickly access grouped content. To make your menu easy to identify, click on Menu Name and type in a name that reflects its purpose or contents. Now let's refine the details. Click on Home and other existing menu items like About, Projects, Services, and Contact to edit their labels or links if needed. Finally, to manage several items at once, click on Bulk Select. This feature is handy for quick reordering or bulk actions on multiple items. Once you're satisfied with your menu setup, don't forget to click Save Menu to ensure all your changes are updated. And you're all done. You've just enabled an accessible menu within WordPress, enhancing navigability for your visitors. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope it helps provide a better experience for your website visitors. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thanks for watching.